I'm excited, you guys. Today I'm going to do a full tutorial on how I do my crochet passion twist. I got my crochet passion twist from Toyotress. It's their Tiana line. It's the 10-inch passion twist. It's a pack of 6. Come in a pack just like this. They have all different ranges, so you can get a pack of 2, a pack of 4, a pack of 6, a pack of 7, and I believe a pack of 10. I might be wrong, but you can kind of customize your packaging of what you want, especially if you want to mix the colors. You don't have to be dedicated all to one pack and buy way too many that you don't need. But today I got the pack of 6 T1b 118, which is this vibrant red color here. I'm so excited. It's this ombre red, and I am going to mix a couple packs of just regular 1B in to break it up. I did get this in a pack of 6 as well, but I plan on using more later, so that's that. One other thing I want to mention too, that you get 6 of these, and each of these packages have 12. So that's 12 times 6. You do the math, and that's how many twists you're gonna have. I prepped my hair already. I shampooed, conditioned it with Deeper Than Hair Advanced Hair Care line. This hair care line is amazing, and I did a video on how I prep my hair for this protective style we are going to do today. Since that's out the way, I already moisturized my hair, I greased my scalp, and we're just going to get right into this. I
want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.